looking at TikTok, we're thinking about making a decision because there's no question that what the big tech companies are doing is very bad.
Would you recommend that people download that app on their phones tonight, tomorrow, anytime currently?
Only if you want your private information in the hands of the Chinese Communist Party.
I told Microsoft, and frankly others, if they want to do it, if they make a deal for TikTok, I say it's okay, but if you do that, we're really making it possible because we're letting you operate here. So the United States Treasury would have to benefit also. We cannot take the security risks of any of those companies, including Huawei.
Well, it's to use the term, a hostile takeover. We have the U.S. government using its power to help an American company to take over the U.S. operations of TikTok. TikTok doesn't really have a choice here. They are being forced into this.
I do not think this is just about the election in the United States, because as we all know, President Trump has been trying to toughen different aspects of U.S. policy towards China ever since he became president. So if it's part of a political strategy, it's a long-standing political strategy. And I think it also reflects a more strategic view of the world on the part of Trump. I think he's felt this way about distancing the United States from China for quite some time.